Okay, we're back to have a little look at Class Dojo about what you can do from the student account if you get sent back some work that you need to have another look at, maybe a draft that you need to edit, or maybe some work you need to improve or take a second look at if you haven't quite got it right. So on the student account, which is where I am here, you need to click back onto your portfolio. As we said, these are all the tasks that need to be completed that have been assigned to the student. So you scroll down, and what you're looking for, these all say start. What you're looking for is something that's a bit different that says edit. Here you go. So this work has an edit button on it, and that means that the work has been sent back because there might be something wrong or there might be something that you've missed. So if you just have a look at this, you can then go back into that and go, okay, what is it? So if you click on edit, you can see the comment by the class teacher. So it says a great start on the first 2 whole part models, now finish the rest of the sheet. Okay, so we've started, but we handed it in maybe a bit too early. We hadn't either saved it or we hadn't done it correctly. So let's have a little look and see if we can improve our writing and then our maths, sorry, and then hand it back in. So have a little look through here. I'm going to do the text tool because I think it's easier to fit it in. I have 2 ones there. Let's see, no tense. I can very quickly work my way through to make sure my learning is in the right place. Remember, if the text is not quite in the right place, you can, once you've typed it and come out of it, you can click in it and just move it around to the right place to make sure that you've done the right thing. I can use the doodle tool if that's easier to add. I actually find the doodle tool a bit harder to use, but some people might find it easier to do the best of my learning. And I can click in here, so I've got to do my number sentence in that one. So this time I have 0. I have in that one. And in here, I need to write the number sentence. So let's have a look, see if I can get that number sentence in there. So here I'm adding. You might notice as well that when you're typing, it kind of immediately goes straight down, which is quite irritating when you look at that. If you click out once you've done it, you can click back on it and then just stretch this middle section and it'll stretch it out, and then you can fit it in the correct place like that. So that's quite handy to see as well. If you've done it wrong, you can just delete it and it disappears there. So then once you've finished, and I know I'm going to get in trouble again because I haven't finished all of my learning again, but I want to show you, once you've finished the maths and you're ready to hand it in, you can then hand it in again. Or if you're not sure, that's probably a good time to write a comment. I didn't understand or something like that, and then maybe the adult can help you if that's why you've handed it in early. So then you can hand it in again, and it will go back to the adult to mark it, and it will appear yet again down at the bottom in your portfolio, hopefully this time to be approved. All right, so have a little go at that. Check if you've got anything to edit. Anything down here might need to be looked at as well in case you need to edit things. This one needs a review, so that's fine. You don't need to do that one. But anything that you need to edit will appear at the bottom with that edit section here. So just have a scroll down. It's worth every so often having a little look down and seeing if there's anything that you have already think you've handed in, but you just need to edit because the teacher wants you to have another look. Okay, any questions? As always, send us a message or do ask.